So welcome back to the Stainless Steel World podcast. We're here today on the second day of the 2025 conference and expo. I've got a special guest with me today. This is Tomomi Takeuchi from Alloy Corporation.
Yeah.
Welcome. Now, Alloy Corp is a long-term friend and partner with Stainless Steel World. We're always so happy to see your team here on the expo floor. Yeah. So how's it going for you so far?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Tomomi Takeuchi from Alloy Corporation in Japan. First of all, this is a small company like us can exhibit here at the Stainless Steel World is thanks to the amazing support from Miss Kiyo Ichikawa, one of the staff over here. Yeah, she's always kind to us.
Yeah.
And always give us the right advice. And we trust her completely, and we really rely on very much. When I talk about this podcast, she will say, "Wow, you should try it." So, yeah, I'm just trying now.
Yeah, Kiyo's a special colleague.
Yes. Yeah. Anyway, I want to say thank you to Kiyo. And another wonderful part of SSW is being able to meet you, Joanne, who is right in front of me.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I'm sure I'm not only one. Many visitors look forward to seeing her friendly smile and talking with you every time. I think everyone agrees, right?
Thank you.
Yeah. And I also want to thank all the SSW staff members who support the event behind the sentences. Because of their hard work, we can exhibit here with confidence and peace of mind. Very thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. We're always happy to have you back.
Yeah.
Been enjoying the expo so far. It's very busy today on the second day up.
Yeah.
Are you meeting lots of people?
Yeah. Because our specialized is stainless steel cutting, welding, assembly, but main plate is Nippon Steel and Nippon Yakin Kogyo in here.
Yes.
Yeah. And also I'm happy to see the Mountain Star. Yeah, we are contacting with them because we are the main in Japan for them. So I just say hi to the Mr. Michael now. So I told them that I'm going to enjoy the podcast. So he said, "Oh, do your best."
Right.
So yeah.
So this is a good place for you to meet people who are both new, but also people that you're already doing business with and that you're familiar with.
That's right. Because we are in kind of small company in Japan, although we can see lots of people are here if we are coming these so beautiful places.
Yes.
So yeah, we really love to be here. It's so honor for us.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Is there any one thing or maybe a couple of things that you're highlighting this year from Alloy Corp?
This year, we are going to show the samples from assembled one and also the water jet cutting one.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are carrying 30 kilograms assembled parts from Japan. It's really heavy, but we are exciting to show the people in SS.
Oh, fantastic.
And in Japan, we are the maker of welded H-beam. So I should have brought a big sample of H-beam. So I forgot one.
I don't see you carrying it.
Yeah. So if you had time, please check our website, please.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, Tomomi, thanks so much for joining us today. It's been lovely to speak to you. I hope you have a really successful finish of the event. I'm sure you will.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in 2 years' time.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.